Hi, I'm Okan Karliova, CFO at Starlet Group. We're a fast-growing company in digital entertainment and iGaming space, operating consumer brands and technology platforms across multiple entities and geographies. As CFO, my focus is making sure that finance function doesn't just report numbers, but actually helps the business move faster by providing the business insight that leadership needs to make strategic decisions. Before we started using Drivetrain, we faced a few key challenges. Like many companies at our stage, we relied heavily on our core accounting system. That worked well for daily bookkeeping, but when it came to group-level financial visibility, things became much more complicated. Each entity had its own instance and set of financials. So, getting a consolidated view of the company required exporting data, combining it, and reconciling everything manually. That process was time-consuming and slowed down our ability to analyze the business. Instead of focusing on insights, we were spending a lot of time just preparing the data. Another challenge was financial scenario planning. In our industry, leadership constantly asks questions like, what happens if we increase the marketing spend? How will that affect revenue? What does that mean for our cash position? Before Drivetrain, answering those questions could easily take an entire day, because the financial model had to be updated and recalculated manually. And that's simply too slow in a fast-moving business environment. That's when we started exploring better FP&A tools, and eventually we chose Drivetrain. What stood out to us was that Drivetrain is not just a reporting tool, it's a complete financial planning platform. It allows us to connect multiple data sources, consolidate financials automatically, and build flexible models for planning. That combination for automation, flexibility, and speed made it the right choice for us. Today, Drivetrain plays a central role in how we run finance at Starlet. We've integrated our systems so financial data flows automatically into the platform. This allows us to consolidate across entities and maintain a single source of truth. We use Drivetrain for budgeting, forecasting, scenario planning, and management reporting. The dashboarding capabilities are also extremely valuable. Instead of sharing static spreadsheets, we can now provide interactive dashboards that leadership can access directly. The results have been very significant. The biggest improvement is speed. What used to take a full day can now be done in just a few minutes. For example, during one planning session, our marketing team updates the customer spend assumptions. In the past, we would have had to rebuild the entire model offline. With Drivetrain, we simply update the KPI and immediately see the impact across the P&L and cash flow projections. That ability to analyze changes in real time makes strategic decisions much more effective. Another important benefit is efficiency. Even with a lean finance team, we can now operate with the kind of planning capabilities you would normally expect from much larger and more mature organizations. That allows us to focus less on manual work and more on strategic analysis. Overall, our experience with Drivetrain has been extremely positive. The platform is powerful, and the team behind it has been great to work with. They collaborated closely with us during onboarding and helped tailor the implementation to our needs. Their support never stops. Even today, there's always someone there to tackle questions and issues. Absolutely. For fast-growing companies dealing with multiple entities and complex financial planning, having the right FP&A platform can make a huge difference. For us, Drivetrain has become a core part of our finance infrastructure. It allows us to move faster, gain better visibility across the business, and support leadership with real strategic insights. And ultimately, that's exactly what a modern finance team should be able to deliver.